cost at which you will be able to attract debt is significantly lower than the cost of your equity capital. The other debt players quite old fashioned in their approach, but we have found Record to be easy to do that with the kind of highway infrastructure that has come up in the last 10-12 years. Buses are now at the forefront of any intercity travel. At Zingbus, we are creating the most loved brand for intercity mobility, and in the process of doing that, we are electrifying the highways in the country. I have been a avid traveler in buses myself all my life. बसें trains 4-4 5-5 घंटे लेट होते थे without any sort of communications beforehand. So no one was taking a basic responsibility of it. With the kind of highway infrastructure that has come up in the last 10-12 years, buses are now at the forefront of any intercity travel. Flights is serving the use case for the top 2-3% of Indians. But what about the rest of them? 2019 we started Delhi Jaipur and Delhi Manali were the routes. Pair of buses on each of these, right? तो 4 buses थी हमारी. This is when we raised our first round of equity, I think late 2019 में. फिर 2020 हुआ, we scaled up like crazy and फिर COVID हो गया. So everything went to a halt. Travel was one of the sectors which was the most hit. कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा था. सारी बसें बंद थी. कोई कहीं नहीं जा रहा था. जो जहाँ था वो वहीं रुक गया था. That's how a world without travel looks like, right? Then post the second wave, we raised our first institutional round led by InfoEdge Ventures. So we raised $5.5 million then mid of 2021. That's when we raised. उसके बाद we connected more than 300 cities across 17 states. We have a turnover of more than 200 crores now, and we have fulfilled more than 5 million journeys by more than 2 million unique customers. We raised debt first from Recur itself, and there have been a lot of players who have sort of shown interest to partner with us in a debt capital facility. But we have found Recur to be really easy to do that without investing significant efforts from our team. The entire process that is laid out is streamlined. The tech is simple to understand, has been built in a very customer first manner, and the timelines involved was pretty fast. बाकी जगह exploration हो ही रहा था, यहाँ पर we were at a term sheet kind of a stage. And the hand holding that we got from Record team really sealed the deal. On the contrary, the other debt players quite old fashioned in their approach. वो बात start करने से पहले you have to share so many documents. Of course, equity capital for any founder, the most expensive form of capital that you can raise. It comes at slightly lesser risk than other forms of capital, but the end cost that you end up paying is very very high. Primarily लोगों को लगता है कि equity capital मिल रहा है तो equity capital से कर लेते हैं. Why take debt? तो return भी करना पड़ेगा. At the same point उसके साथ कुछ cost भी associated होगी. But cost at which you will be able to attract debt is significantly lower than the cost of your equity capital.